Hi friends, welcome back to Simplify India, your ultimate learning partner. Simplify India presenting you its new series called FinTales. In this video, let us know the financial success story of the run machine and the king of cricket and the captain of Indian cricket team Virat Kohli. Virat was born on 5th November 1988 in the national capital of India, New Delhi. The King Kohli made his very first international debut in the ODI against Sri Lanka on August 18, 2008, and later his first T20 international debut was on 12 June 2010 against Zimbabwe, and he made a debut in the Test cricket in June 2011 against West Indies. The run machine of India is always consistent in his performance, especially in the ICC events, and has many records in his earlier career and is one among top 3 ICC international rankings, and as he has many centuries. Virat has scored about 40 plus centuries, that is 100 plus run in his ODI career, and similarly 27 plus centuries in the Test cricket and 70 plus in T20. Kohli is the fastest Indian and the second fastest in the world to score 5,000 runs in ODI. Virat Kohli is the only Indian player to score a century in the first match of the World Cup. He set his record against Bangladesh in 2011 World Cup, and the Forbes has plotted Kohli's net worth as $26 million in the year 2020, and he has also become the solitary Indian athlete to feature in the list of richest sportsmen in the world. Although under his captaincy, Virat have not won any of the trophies, but under the franchisee of Royal Challengers Bangalore, that is RCB, Virat has been truly loved and supported by the millions of his fans for his consistent performance and aggressive attitude in the field. Let us know the revenue sources of Virat Kohli. Virat maintains and generates profit from different passive sources. Number 1 is earning from the cricket, that is his primary salary. Number 2 is earning from different sports franchisee co-owned by him. Number 3 is earnings from different retail investment made by Virat, and number 4 is earning from advertising and promotions. Virat's income from cricket, that is, his salary is been offered to him based on his inclusion and the performance in the game of cricket. And the Virat is the highest paid cricket athlete in the world. The BCCI, that is, the Board of Cricket Council of India, includes Virat in A plus category, which is the highly professional salary offered in the industry. As a captain to the Indian cricket team, the Virat is been offered with the highest salary of rupees 7 crore plus per year from BCCI, whereas from the franchisee of Royal Challengers Bangalore offers Virat with a remuneration of rupees 10 crore plus per year, which leads to about 17 plus crore excluding the performance incentives such as man of the match and other appraisals. Virat is very much passionate about the football and other sports activities, and hence Virat owns many sports franchisees. Some of them were Football Club, that is FC Goa, and the UAE Royal Tennis Team in Dubai, along with the pro wrestling franchisee Bangalore Yoddhas in Bangalore, and many more. Let's explore the finest brands available in Virat's portfolio. Virat is the most popular and the leading entrepreneur in India and internationally. Virat owns the leading retail businesses in India and in abroad, which includes Ron, an Indian luxury brand for fashion and apparel goods; Sports Convo, a London-based social networking startup for sports and accessories; Chisel, a chain of gym and fitness in which Virat owns a stake of rupees 90 crore plus; 18. 18 is the Virat's most passionate project for luxurious fashion store, Digit. Virat and his wife Anushka has recently owned a majority stake in India's largest insurance retailer, that is Digit. The name Virat Kohli itself is a brand. Virat made a huge investment for the project Fanbox to make good interaction between his fans and followers. Virat is an entrepreneur, however, he is also known for his philanthropic activities, and hence he introduced the Virat Kohli Foundation in the year 2013 to help creating a better tomorrow for the underprivileged youth of our country. Now, let us know the income of Virat from advertising and promotions. Virat's revenue resulted a consistent growth from advertising and promotions as he is a brand ambassador of various brands. Especially, Virat's contract deal with MRF is a major campaign of Virat's career as it was started in the year 2014 in Virat's early days. As Indian national team player, he was being contracted for rupees 8 crore for the term of from the year 2014 up to the year 2017, but later on, by seeing the Virat's consistent performance and towards his popularity, the contract was further extended up to the year 2025 for the whopping amount of rupees 100 crore plus. Virat is very active on social media and he has a huge fan following on Instagram. He is the only cricketer and the fifth sports personality in the world to have more than 150 million plus followers on Instagram. Virat is a brand ambassador of various leading brands which includes MRF, Manyavar, Boost, American Tourister, Tissot and Digit and much more. The Run Machine have been honored with the prestigious awards including Arjuna Award, Padma Shri and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards from the Government of India, and he has been honored with many of the other awards too. For all his efforts, Simplify India thanks King Kohli for his immense contribution towards the nation and for his efforts in the ICC events. So friends, if you like our video and finds it informative, then please do share it with your friends, family and colleagues, and please do let us know the topics in the comment section on which you want us to come up in our further videos. Thanks for watching Simplify India. Please do support us by subscribing our channel. Simplify India.